Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to create some tutorial about nearby location with Supabase database. I had another video in my list of video on YouTube, but that one for the Firebase, and this is the logic when I'm using the Firebase. In short, I create some collection with list of the places. Inside of the collection there is field to store latitude, longitude, and after that I'm querying the data and create some looping. Inside the looping I call the function get distance, comparing two distance to location and get the distance. After the looping done, I sorting the list and storing into app stat, and after that sorting based on the nearest location, the distance, the smallest distance, and after that I sorting into user interface. But in this time I'm using Supabase, which is we will using the store procedure, which is we will wrap it into API call, and after get the response from the API call, we will show into user interface. And this is the database that I'm using. I just add one table. I just use one table in this tutorial. It's called places table. Inside the places I have field placeName and location, which placeName is the name from our place list, and this is latlong. I convert the latlong from the Flutterflow into text like this. And for the Flutterflow I have two pages. First one is to showing the master data, and we can adding new data. This is we'll calling bottom sheet, and this is the bottom sheet. Inside the bottom sheet I just call for the inserting action into Supabase table, which is a places table. And for the field name, placeName, I'm getting the value from the place picker, get place field, and just name, field name. And for another one, location, I get from the latlong field. I close the bottom sheet. This is will be inserting the places table data into this master page. And after that, when we are clicking for the another page, which is a nearby page, I calling the some API that I created from the Supabase store procedure. I create this function or store procedure, and inside this function you can see I'm using some another function from the postgis called st distance pair, which is if you guys want to activate this thing, you need to querying, or you need to executing this command or this line of SQL command. And after that there will be creating this two table or column and one table. And after that you guys can be able to using the function to get the location, get the distance of the location. Like in the my store procedure. As you can see, I'm just showing placeName from table places, and I'm also showing distance matter based on this parameter, which is we will parsing the current device location here. And after that, to calculate the distance, I'm using this formula. I will copy paste this function into description of my video, this video. And after that, I'm creating the API call based on the function called nearby, and then define the URL. You can see here, can copy paste the URL and etc. And after that, you need to parsing the parameter, which is current device location. But before it, you need to define the variable name with string data type. After that, you can testing from the response and test tab with your current device location from Google Map. You can get the latitude and longitude here, and parsing into this field, and as per API call, you'll get the list of the distance, the list of the places, but with distance matter now, and this will be sorting by the nearest location. And after that, you need to saving for the predict path response and save. And if all done, we can using that API call as backend query, and we can calling that API call and parsing in the parameter with this custom function. I create this custom function because I need to parsing the value like this with text value location into function into store procedure. But as you can see, the current device location data type is latlong, so I need to convert from the string to latlong. Wait a second. I think it can be directly, no need to parsing. Yes, and after I create some backend query, I create some generate children here from the nearby response that just we call the API call, and set up like this and confirm. This will be generating the children component inside the list view, and for the this one or title, I just get from the nearby response, JSON web, JSON body, predefined path. There will be placeName and just item add index, specify, and we will get the index from the generating index in list, confirm. Oh, we'll need to define for default value, and for the distant things there will be same with the placeName, but in this time we choose distant instead of placeName. And after that I create some custom number format with this value. This is will be because the value is in the matter, I guess, or in the kilometer. I need to making some format numbering like this, and also I add some combined tags with the kilometer weight. And yeah, I think that's it. I will running it into my actual device. Yep, this is the app when I running on my actual device. When I click add new, I can search for another places. Copy kenangan. Add place. And after that, when I click another tab, which is a nearby tab, this will be sorting the data based on my device location, current device location. And as you can see, there will be so seamless. There will be so seamless, like no gap, no latency. For example, I will delete another one table of places. Give me a this will be remove that one row. Yeah, I think that's it from me for this tutorial. If you have question for this tutorial, just feel free to asking me the question, and also I will set up this project to be public and putting on my description on this video. And after you clone the project, don't forget to set up your Supabase database, also the Google Map API key, and after that you can be able to running this project. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.